Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Acura RDX A-Spec with technology pack on top of that as well. This one's currently for sale at Infiniti of Nashua, so I got the chance to take this car home for the night, spend some time with it, gather my thoughts, and let me tell you right now, I am very impressed. Panoramic sunroof, ELS, 3D sound is phenomenal. ELS Studio 3D. Heated and cooled seats. While this whole infotainment system does take a bit of getting used to, I'll be completely honest, this isn't touchscreen. So where you want to go, you basically, if I want menu, I hit the top corner. If I want to switch to hits 1, I hit that bottom corner. If I want to start changing what's here, I can do so. So it took a bit of getting used to. I'm talking about 20 minutes or so to get used to. After that, I was used to it, ready to go. Nice suede inserts there. Your dynamic modes. You got snow, comfort, sport, plus. Put it into drive. Actually, backup camera. Let's go for a drive. Two-liter turbo 4-cylinder, mated to the 10-speed automatic. Actually a good transmission, very quick shifts, especially in Sport Plus. Once we get to our handling section, I'll pop the transmission into Sport manual mode, start using these paddles that, if they're not metal, they definitely feel like metal. So good on Acura for that one. A-Spec package is mostly a cosmetic upgrade. There's no big performance, unlike the Type S. That is going to have your performance upgrade as well as appearance upgrades. Sport. Oh, come on. That's some of the best transmission tuning I've experienced in an SUV. In the sport mode, that downshifts perfectly right where I would want to with the paddles. I was about to pull a paddle that downshifted. I said, "Oh, okay. I'm game. I like that." And then just when I was about to downshift again, it did it. Perfect. That's exactly what I would want out of transmission tuning. And obviously, it might be a bit aggressive for around town driving. You can shut it off. Like, come on, for a torque converter, those are pretty good shifts. So I've gotten a bit of mixed information. You guys in the comments can feel free to correct me. I was told at first this 10-speed was completely developed in-house, but then I was also told that it's a ZF 10-speed with Acura tuning. You can kind of figure out, I don't know what's actually true, but I will say I've driven the new MDX non-Type S, and this transmission tuning is miles better. Again, that was with the V6 NA, so I don't know if this tuning is more suited for forced induction, which can completely be the case, because forced induction has a completely, well, turbo has a completely different type of power band than NA, so this transmission tuning might just work better. It also has super handling all-wheel drive, meaning as I give it throttle around the corner, it's going to power the outside rear wheel to kind of help it rotate from the back. Most systems, they'll grab the inner front brake, but you can kind of feel that, especially I noticed that in the Chevy Blazer. I noticed that hugely when you start to corner, you can almost feel that brake being pulled. But in this system, you can feel the back rotate around. It's a little unnerving if you're not used to rear-wheel drive, because it's a very rear-wheel drive feel. But I am used to rear-wheel drive. I've driven rear-wheel drive daily for the past 4 years. So I personally prefer it. I do like the steering wheel too. Acura did a good job on this steering wheel. Driven the NSX, the new NSX, twice now. Once on track, once on the street. I will say it's very reminiscent, not as aggressive, but very similar. This whole dynamic mode area, that's basically identical. It's a little bit more aggressive in the NSX as it should be, but lifted from that design clearly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.